Mm. Well, now that we have control over this whole weapon, what do we do with it? I say we blow everybody up. It's a bad idea. Why am I here? Not being mean. I wasn't even being mean that time. You're here because I don't know actually. Okay, guys. People, they're going to their attack. Yes, my helmet is not on right. Those people, they hate dreamers, so we have to big kill us. What? They don't like dream. I. What does that have to do with anything? They're not. They not dream. Still, I'm not going to fight somebody with that. But it's for dream. Barely even know who that guy is. Now are you even on my side? Ah, I'm here now. Okay, but you're not Dream. I don't care. Looks like they have their own problems. We should shoot a gun. Okay. Oh my gosh, watermelon got hit. Ah, well, my hair is weird. Anyway, they just shot us. That was anti-dream bullets. We need to kill them. I don't like Dream. Oh my gosh, straight there. Dream. Bang, 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 bang. We should shoot it again. Okay. Ouch. Can't believe they hate Dream that much. It's not working. We need to partake in chemical warfare. I'm leaving. Ah. Ding 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 ding. What's that smell? It smells terrible. Ah. Man, I really wish my face didn't smell that one. Among Us. Yes. Among Us. You didn't Among Us kill me because you're not the real imposter. Ah! Okay, guys. They didn't like the smell, so what do we do? We need to fight back. Ooh, bowling ball. Ah! Ouch! Bowling ball. Ow, I was hit with a bowling ball. Oh my gosh, our leader is a die. What do we do? Surrender? Why would we do that? We don't even want to be here in the first place. Oh yeah, good point. Okay guys, we surrender. Okay. Yeah, we're friends now. Woo!